The structure of ATP differs from the structure of a DNA nucleotide in that ATP is a polymer and a DNA nucleotide is always a monomer. ATP uses thymine, and a DNA nucleotide can use 3 other nitrogenous bases besides thymine. We know that's not true, right? DNA is A, T, and CG. Okay. ATP has phosphate groups, 3 phosphate groups, and a DNA nucleotide only has 1. And ATP uses deoxyribose, and DNA nucleotide uses ribose. So, of course, this is also not true. DNA uses deoxyribose, and RNA uses ribose. Also, ATP uses ribose. Remember that ATP, adenosine triphosphate, has adenine, a nitrogenous base, ribose, and instead of 1 phosphate group like we would expect to see in DNA, we get 3 phosphate groups. Okay, so triphosphate. So the answer here is C. ATP has 3 phosphate groups and a DNA nucleotide only has 1. So in DNA, we would expect a nitrogenous base like adenine, the same we see in ATP. The sugar, deoxyribose, in this case for DNA, and then a single phosphate group. Whereas in ATP, we have 3 phosphate groups. So the answer here is C.